Let's learn how to perform Virabhadrasana or Warrior Pose 1. Begin in Tadasana or mountain pose at the front of your mat. Step your left foot back around 3 to 4 feet. Turn your back foot slightly out, about 45 degrees. The front foot should face directly forward. Now bend your front knee so that it stacks directly over the ankle. The front thigh should come parallel to the floor if possible. The back foot should stay straight and strong with the outer edge of the back foot pressing into the ground. Now square your hips into the mat. The front hip should move backward and the back hip move a little forward in order to align. Now raise your arms all the way up, palms facing each other or slightly touching. Your shoulders should be relaxed, chest out. Your gaze is either going to be forward or slightly upward without compressing the neck. Stay here in this pose for a few breaths, maintaining the strength and stability of this pose. Now, in order to come out, gently bring your hands back all the way down. Step back into the asana and repeat this thing to the other side. Virabhadrasana or warrior pose is a powerful standing posture that is often used in yoga sequences in order to build balance, focus, and stamina. It also represents the energy of a warrior, grounded, steady, and alert. This posture strengthens the legs, ankle, and shoulders. It stretches chest, lungs, abdomen, and hip flexor. Practicing Warrior 1 can improve your body posture and stability. It also improves the breathing capacity. Mentally, it develops concentration, confidence, and inner resilience. Now avoid this pose if you have recent or chronic injuries in your knees, hips, or shoulders. If you are suffering through high blood pressure, don't lift your hands overhead. Keep them at your heart center or you can keep them on your hips. If you are having balance issues, keep your stance shorter and your gaze forward. Practice Virabhadrasana 1 daily in order to cultivate strength, discipline, and calm presence, both in the mat and in daily life.